In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Modpacks on Apex hosting. So the first thing you want to do is you want to head over to Apex hosting and make sure you log into your server panel. It is then going to bring you something that looks like this. Now what you need to do from here is you need to go ahead and go down and scroll down until you see this section that says game file. Now what's really cool about Apex hosting is that they actually already have a bunch of mod packs that you're easily able to install. So we have mod packs ranging from Better Minecraft, Cobblemon, the Create mod, all the mods 10, etc. Better Minecraft. Basically, all the popular ones are going to be right over here. So you will need to go ahead and scroll down a little bit. So we got Spigot right here. But if you scroll down just enough, you're able to go ahead and find Cobblemon and like the mod pack section, which is going to be right here. So you can go ahead and select on what mod pack you want to play on. So we even do have RLCraft as well, and it's consistently being updated. So basically all the popular mod packs are going to be right over here. So what I recommend that you guys do is take a look at the list and see if the mod pack you're trying to play is actually an option. And then what you need to do is you need to go ahead and just select on whatever mod pack you're playing on. For this video, I selected on Cobblemon. Then you need to go ahead and start your server. Now, sometimes you might run into an issue where it interferes, like the mod pack interferes with your pre-installed plugins that you have. So you need to keep in mind that you can only use plugins that are compatible with your mod pack. I know it's a little bit unfortunate, and I know it can get a little bit confusing. So just keep that in mind, and you may need to restart your actual server world in order for this to actually work. So when I installed Cobblemon, it did make me restart my world right over here. So that is another thing you have to keep in mind. But what I always recommend that you guys do is save multiple instances and backups of your previous world before you change it to Cobblemon or any type of mod pack you're playing on. But anyways, once you're done with that, you just need to start your server. And more importantly, you need to make sure that you have the mod pack installed on the client side. And by client side, I mean your personal computer. So you need to download the mod pack both on the server, which we just did, and you also need to download the mod pack on your local personal device. So you need to do both of them, and there's many great platforms out there, such as CurseForge, where you're able to go ahead and install a bunch of mod packs with a click of just one single button. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.